Tilahomam. What is the meaning of Tilahomam? The ancestral worship is given so much importance. One is in Hinduism, another is in African tribals. Now, what does it mean about ancestral worship? We have come via the ancestors, so we are certainly connected with them. For instance, if you say we have this umbilical cord, it doesn't just connect us with our mother, it connects with our ancestors. So what happens when the ancestors are not very happy with us, or during their death there has been an incident or accident or suicide, some ancestors commit suicide or murder? What happens? First, there is something called Vaitrani river. When the ancestors don't merge with the divine light of God, then what happens is they get stuck up in a chasm. And when they are getting stuck up in the chasm, they cannot reach. So in turn, they will need our help through prayers, to doing the punya activity, so that the divine energy will help them to reach the God. No, they pull us. Through the umbilical cord, it is an astral pull which you can feel it, you will not realize it. But it will have a very telling impact on your life. First is the marriage will not happen. There will be no conception, pregnancy becoming very difficult, habitual abortion. Then there is a court case between two lineages. The two families of the same lineage fighting against each other. No money. You will feel that the house has lot of difficulty in getting up. Even a small activity, they'll find it difficult.